Okay, let's move on to another part of the DC Cinematic Universe. An official image for Wonder Woman has released online, courtesy of Entertainment Weekly. So in the photo, Wonder Woman is shown in what looks to be her battle armor in that time, right, in 1918. Well, I mean,
We don't. This image could take place years before that.
Okay,
We know that the movie's taking place in World War One,
okay,
but this scene could take place like years before that.
okay. Now, how do you pronounce
Well,
these?
we're gonna see around this timeline. I
Yes,
think.
yeah.
Well,
I'll stop there.
That's all right. The photo also includes her mother, Hippolyta.
Yeah, I don't know how to say her
I'm
name.
trying my best.
I don't know how to say
Okay,
her name.
Hippolyta, played by Connie Nielsen, and her what's described as her military aunts, General Antiope, played by Robin Wright, and Antiope's lieutenant Menelope, played by Lisa Loven Kongsley. So you got Wonder Woman, her mom, her military aunts. They're all badass. What do you guys think of this first photo, fresh off Batman v Superman?
I love it. I love it. I'm super excited for the Wonder Woman film. Like it's gonna be one of my top anticipated films for next year, and I think Gal Gadot, at least visually and physically, fits who I want Wonder Woman to be. So, and this image shows it. Like she looks amazing, first of all, and it's just cool because we see all these comic book movies and these action films, and even if an action film is led by a female, all the other characters are male. And we're getting this movie where the main character is going to be female, and most of the supporting cast is going to be female too, and they're all going to be badasses. So, and I already knew that, but just seeing this photo gets me super excited for it. And Gal Gadot's really attractive. That's all I'll say.
Yeah, I kind of agree with you. It looks great. It looks great. All the costumes look really good. I love seeing Robin Wright in there. I think this is such a different role for her, especially with her after doing her work on House of Cards for the last 4 or 5 years. Connie Nielsen as her mom. She's most known for her role in Gladiator, which is awesome. I take. I love the comments from the director Patty Jenkins that were involved with the images or the image, talking about the costumes and what they tried to go for, and it really hits, as well as how they described the relationship between the characters, saying that her mom is trying to protect her, and while her aunt is trying to prepare her for war or whatever else is coming. So that conflict's going to be really interesting to see play out in the movie. And like Jacob said, it's really cool seeing an all-female centric cast kind of be the focal point in the beginning of the production, because we haven't seen a official image of any of the male co-stars yet, like Chris Pine. It's all been female centric, which is really cool, because they do play a huge part in this world of Wonder Woman. But yeah, as far as the image goes, it looks great. It's exactly what we want to see from Wonder Woman and the home of all these characters. So yeah, I'm definitely in. I loved it.
Yeah, I definitely really like this photo. It all looks great. The costumes too. Looks like Patty Jenkins is capturing a tone that fits within the DC universe, which is awesome. I'm looking forward to Robin Wright. If you guys haven't seen House of Cards, she is phenomenal in that show. And
She's his wife, right?
Okay. Yeah, and she season 4, she had a big hand in writing and directing.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, I only watched I'm going to get to House of Cards. I know everyone says it's great, but I've only watched the first 2 episodes.